Welcome. We shall be dealing with set theorem. Set theorem can be defined as a set which has a collection of well-defined objects. So a set is a collection of a well-defined object. And when you have a set, there's always an element to the set in the set. But if there's no element in the set, it is called a null set. That is, that the null set, if I have an A and I have this is a null set and is also written as this is sign 5. So null set has no element. If an element, if I have a B is set 1, 3, 5, and so on. It is an infinite set, an infinite set, because it does not stop, it continues. It's not possible to count them. So it's an infinite set. If I have a C and I have 1, 3, 5, 7, this is a finite set. So it's important to know that a set is a collection of well-defined objects. And in a set, we have elements. And these elements can be counted. And if you can't count it, then it is an infinite set. If you can count it, then it's a finite set. So we have different kinds of sets, as you may know, that there is a null set, a cardinality set, and so on. So next time we'll continue. Thank you very much for listening.